Alrighty, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put some new teeth on here. Let me grab my teeth, they're over here. So I'm just gonna pop out some teeth from here and make them fit there. That's about that.
Give her some fangs.
Yeah. So she's wanting to get this done, but not do the real treatment, just the patch treatment for now. That's okay. Sometimes you need patch treatment. You know, to record these, this is like a whole production, you know? Like, we had to hire you guys and have a whole workflow, and like, man, it's a whole thing. And then I look, there's like other doctors doing the same thing. I'm like, I know it's a lot of effort. Like, is everybody putting all, like, this is a lot of effort, you know? Everybody's doing it? What? You know, I thought this is something like, man, it's kind of a lot of work. I'm doing something special here, but there's a lot of doctors that have super high quality videography of their work. Two assistants, but none are here right now. But they want to go to lunch on time, so I need some help right now. Oh, it's right here.
Alright, hop in next.
Dang, this one's gonna be tricky to fix. This is messed up.
Oh, definitely.
That's messed up. Okay.
Like all the way out.
Yeah, it's super messed up, and it's right on the edge, so there's no space for anything. So we're totally screwed for that one. Hey, can you sneak out and find somebody? Natalie or Melissa?
Which one do you prefer? Which one's your favorite? Say right now.
This is my favorite. My favorite assistant. Dude, it's gotta be Melissa, but she's been my assistant for 10 years. Natalie!
One of these.
Maxwell, this one is called Emergency AllonX Temporary Repair.
I'm gonna start selling little toothpaste.
Check his pockets.
Out of my car.
Just in front of the just in the parking lot here.
Right outside.
Yeah. You can get it cheaper from Miguel.
Don't you guys give them out for free?
Yeah, we probably do. Sorry, Maxwell. Tell me where I'm supposed to be. I'll put my hand right here. Okay. I will stop moving from here.
She's considering getting her stuff here because I was showing her.
Showing her what?
I was like, well, you know, the piece that they put, you know, you're missing a piece on your denture.
Oh.
I just, you know, just fucking
Here.
Your third one. Hey, Melissa?
Si, senor.
I should have asked. It sounds dumb. I don't know which ones I'm repairing. I'm repairing all of them?
Yeah, I think so.
Dang,
I thought
okay.
that was a plan.
I don't know. She said she pointed at just two, but then I forgot. Dang it. I should have asked her. Now I understand why it was hard to record the bone adjustment. I was moving everywhere. This gets really tricky because it's slippery, and then you're spinning it, and then it's going to fly somewhere. It's going to go into Miguel's mouth right now.
Oh no.
It's going to be like at the restaurant, you know, at like where they like throw the shrimp in your mouth. Open up. Okay. Okay, we got one over here. Damn, this is so huge. One over here. They're ridiculously big. This is the only reasonable one. I'm just gonna put that one in first.
I think she's gonna start.
Do what now?
I think she's gonna.
Yeah, she should, to be honest.
Well, I'm sitting there talking it up. We should get like lunch for stuff like this.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this guy. What's that?
A big battery to power everything up on the C-stand.
Like a V-mount?
Yeah.
Oh, do they have that?
Yeah.
Really? Like, what's that like?
It's just like a big, kind of like your belt pack for the headlamp.
No way.
Yeah, it's just a little bigger.
And you can just plug random stuff into it?
Mostly for cameras, but they have like USB and USB-C ports that go out too. That's what you've probably seen them. Tyler uses them for his Black Magic cameras.
I have like one too. You can use that.
So that's kind of what I want right there. I'm gonna secure it. Yeah, let's get that battery pack. That sounds amazing. I'm gonna let that set up.
Speaking of batteries, I'm gonna switch this one out. Oh, there's two more teeth over here. Teeth everywhere. There's teeth everywhere. So this is $200.
These are premium. Oh no, for the set.
Oh,
The whole set. It's like $150 or something. And they're the premium ones. I'm going premium for this patient. This is so irritating because it's so small. Hard to hold on to it. I guarantee right now I'm just doing the work harder, not smarter right now. So let me make this easier for myself.
She's talking to Natalie about the finances.
Okay.
So what happens when you do this one there? Patient's like, yeah, let's do it.
assistant and sales rep.
Huh?
So you're
So we were like, what she was missing on hers, and I was like, you know, this is, and I showed her her gums. I like gave her a mirror, and I was like, this is how your gums are. We gotta make sure that we're getting in there because her gums are pretty messed up.
I got one tooth on there. Working on the other ones.
What time is the next? After lunch?
After lunch for sure, yeah.
1:30?
1:30, yeah. I think it's an extraction. You getting Taco Bell? No?
Maybe. It's close. My mom just texted me and I was like, I wonder if she cooked.
What does she make?
I don't know. I was wondering.
Is it better than Tepa Taqueria?
I haven't been there.
What? You're from Stockton?
Where's that from?
Oh, the place. It's by Planet Fitness, by Hobby Lobby. Do you know any of these places?
Right next door, right? Yeah.
Yeah. I've been going there for like 15 years. I just basically just only go there. Every day I go to work, I just eat Tepa. Except
Yeah, because your legatus before. My knees hurt. They just started hurting. Oh, I can't get in there because nothing goes in there. And I showed her the housing on the one that we have here, like a sample. And I said, this is what's missing in your prosthesis was attached directly to your implant, which is not good. And she said, oh, like she kind of like started thinking about it.
she's tough. Oh, I see. Maybe does she have a good experience?
She did.
With her previous dentist or no?
She didn't say anything bad about him, but she just says that when I showed her her gums and I was showing her like, her gums are like raw, like really bad. So yeah, that's all I told her.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna
Then I
Okay.
showed her what samples that we have, and then I actually, when you said, did you show her Bobby? I just grabbed Bobby's and showed it to her.
So she's scheduled for May 6th. Does she need to come in for anything before
They're just
that?
adding tooth.
Yeah, this one I can't fit a tooth on there, so I'm just gonna make one
We'll just have
real
to
quick.
scan her arch.
Okay.
That took like 2 seconds. There we go.
Nice.
Doctor, she's
Yes.
scheduled on the 6th. Does she need to come in before that for anything else?
We need to get her scanned. I told her it would be 3 appointments, so it'll just be a scan appointment.
That appointment on the 6th?
Yeah, Okay, we just need to let this set up and then I'll put this on. That's it, easy peasy.
So then you won't engage that one then, right?
I don't know. I'm not sure yet. We'll see how it
Because she's
sets up.
she's got 5.
So this one's not a final?
No, this is a temporary.
Oh, dang.
My knees are now.
There we go. I'm probably going to chop them down a bit so she doesn't break them again. Hey Melissa, I'm pretty much ready to deliver this, but I'm going to have to just adjust the occlusion. Do we have the occlusal adjustment stuff there?
I sure do.
Dang, okay.
It's the birth, right?
Mm-hmm.
And articulating paper and all that.
Yep, okay. So you beat me to it.
She's back for you.
Just gonna wash this. Hey Miguel, is it 12:30 already?
Huh?
Is it 12:30 already? Yeah.
12:33. So
Okay, crap.
Fairly over.
Gotta get out of here. Alright. Or I gotta let everyone get out of here.
Melissa's like, hurry up, I have my friend.
Oh yeah, she does have her friend actually. Thanks for reminding me.
That's why she's on it.
What?
I said that's why she's on it. She's like, I'll do it.
Alright. Good. We're good. This is it. So you got some teeth on there now? No teeth before, teeth now. For this repair, the all-on-4 repair. So what I did here is this patient got her treatment done in Mexico, and there's a lot of good dentists out in Mexico. She got it done out there. She came back here. She was not able to go back to the original clinic to get her final, and so several of her teeth have broken on her temporary, and she wants to move forward, but for whatever reason she didn't disclose that she's not going back to the clinic that she originally got her treatment done. So she wanted me to do something for today, so I added 3 teeth. I was able to put on a couple of Ivoclar teeth. couple of these little Ivoclar teeth on 2 of the sites, and for the other site I was able to just add a little bit of acrylic and it looked like a tooth, and that was great. That was the easiest one. The other ones took me like 95% of the time. Just hand adding acrylic took like 2 seconds. So we got her somewhere where she's in a good spot now. She can smile. It doesn't look, I mean, that's pretty much it. She can smile without being self-conscious. So now I think we gained her trust and she wants to continue. She told me she wants to do the final prosthesis with us. So we'll bring her in next time to get her in for a scan. That's it for that video, but if you're serious about leveling up your implant game, I invite you to go to implantninja.com, where we teach you how to place implants the right way using step-by-step videos, books, and full office solutions that really help you implement very efficient implant protocols. So if the content was helpful for you, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.